Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you control both accounts, the existing iCloud Apple ID and the Gmail address you want to use. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID if it isn't already, because Apple requires 2FA for email changes. Make sure Gmail can receive verification messages, open it in a browser or app. Then back up your iPhone or Mac. This protects data if a sign-out happens. Next, open Apple.id, Apple.com or settings on your device to start the email change process. Now actually change the Apple ID email. Sign into Apple.id, Apple.com or go to settings on iPhone, your name, phone, email, then choose edit. Add the Gmail address as a reachable or contact email and request a verification code. Apple will send a message to Gmail. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm the change, then complete two-factor authentication when prompted. Once you input the Gmail verification code and Apple accepts it, the Gmail address becomes your new Apple ID and main login. Finish by signing out of iCloud on each device and signing back in with the new Gmail Apple ID. This forces services to refresh credentials. Make sure iMessage, FaceTime, App Store purchases, and subscriptions reflect the new address. Update any apps that use the old iCloud email as a login. If something goes wrong, first check your Gmail spam folder, then request a new verification code. If errors persist, remove the old iCloud address as a reachable email and re-add Gmail, or contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.